Hello, I'm pleased to present the charter we've been developing on applications of globally harmonized nutrients. There have been several groups that have attempted to create average nutrient requirements, like the estimated average requirement of the Institute of Medicine or the average requirements by EFSA and others. And then they add a value for a safety net for individuals, the RDA for the Institute of Medicine, RNI, PRI, etc. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was just one set of global nutrient requirements so that we could all use it as a common foundation for our needs? Such a concept was proposed by Lindsay Allen in her article in Advances in Nutrition in 2019. The idea of a globally harmonized nutrient requirement is that all people respond biologically similarly. Now, there might be a need for regional adaptations due to bioavailability, but that can be done easily from a set of globally harmonized nutrients. So the uses are to provide a common basis for harmonizing food labeling, formulating and labeling bioavailable nutrient content per serving, assessing and planning intakes of populations, formulating fortified foods and other dietary products, to name a few. What can Ilsi do? We can develop guidance and criteria for standardized nutrients, such as equivalencies and proposing units for food labeling. We can determine regional adaptations to harmonized average requirements based on bioavailability algorithms. Now, some algorithms have been developed for iron and zinc, amino acids, and even proteins, but more needs to be done, such as for calcium, a nutrient that is deficient in many parts of the world. With Ilsi working with its federation to adapt harmonized average requirements or regional requirements adjusted for bioavailability, we can move the whole program forward. Ilsi can play a role in bringing harmonized average nutrient requirements forward by determining these bioavailability factors based on dose response algorithms and other approaches. Ilsi can identify the needs of the regions, including estimates of bioavailability of nutrients of concern. Ilsi has the necessary relationships to identify needed dose response modeling or factorial approaches within regions, and then to guide the dissemination of the harmonized average requirements and adoption of scientifically validated bioavailability factors. So together, we can make a huge difference in this area.